Let's solve the system of equations. 2x squared minus y squared equals 14. 3x plus 2y equals 3. In order to solve this, we're going to make substitution. So we're going to solve for y in the bottom equation by subtracting by 3x and then dividing by 2. And so that's going to go in for y on the top. So you have 2x squared minus, and then you want to put it in parentheses, the negative 3x plus 3 over 2 squared. So we're going to square the inside, we're not squaring the outside, the negative. So it's 2x squared minus, and then the top becomes 9x squared minus 18x plus 9. The bottom becomes 4 equals 14. We want to get rid of the 4, so we're going to multiply both sides by 4. Get 8x squared minus parentheses 9x squared minus 18x plus 9 equals 56. So 14 times 4 is 56. And now I'm going to do 8x squared minus 9x squared is negative x squared. And then distributing the negative to both the negative 18x and the 9, that turns into 18x minus 9 equals 56. I'm going to move everything to the right because I don't like the negative x squared. So add x squared, subtract by 18x, and do 56 plus 9 becomes 63. Or rather, sorry, 65 equals 0. This we can factor. So we have x and x. 65 is 5 times 13, so this will be minus 13 minus 5. So we get x is 5 and 13. But now we want to find the y value. So for x equals 5, we'll plug it in here. Y is equal to, on the top is negative 3 times 5 plus 3 over 2. So again, I'm using this guy right here. And then when x is 13, we have y is equal to negative 3 times 13 plus 3 over 2. Here's negative 15 plus 3 is negative 12. Divided by 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 times 13 is negative 39. Plus 3 is negative 36 over 2 is negative 18. So putting this together, when x is 5, y is negative 6. When x is 13, y is negative 18. And so this will be the final answer.